Electrical circuit analysis. B and B Tech students. In this video, we see about bandwidth, that is frequency characteristics or series and parallel resonance topic. Atman Incident Leg welcomes you all. Quality factor, Q factor. The quality factor Q and its effect on bandwidth. The quality factor Q is the ratio of the reactive power in the inductor or capacitor to the true power in the resistance or in series with the coil or capacitor. Quality factor Q is 2 pi into maximum energy stored divided by energy dissipated per cycle. In an inductor, the maximum energy stored is given by Li squared divided by 2. Energy dissipated per cycle is I divided by root 2 the whole square or N2 into T. I square or T divided by 2. Quality factor of the coil Q is 2T into of quality factor of the coil Q is 2T into of Li square divided by I square or divided by 2 into 1 by F. Q is 2 pi FL divided by R as omega L divided by R. Q formula as omega L divided by R. That is changed into in natural frequency format. Q is omega and L divided by R is equal to 1 divided by 2 Z0. Z0 as frequency. That is quality factor formula. Similarly, in a capacitor, the maximum energy stored is given by CV squared divided by 2. The energy dissipated per cycle is equal to I divided by root 2 bracket square or into T. The quality factor of the capacitance of the circuit Q is 2 by 1 by 2 C bracket 1 by omega C bracket square divided by I square divided by 2 or into 1 by F. We obtain Q is 1 by omega C or in series circuits, the quality factor Q is omega L divided by R is equal to 1 divided by omega C R. That is important formula. Bandwidth is F2 minus F1. We already known the relation between bandwidth and quality factor, which is Q is FR divided by BW. That is very important formula. Q is FR divided by BW. FR is resonance frequency. That is quality factor formula. And thank you.